She got the card also. She's going to read it. Okay. Yang.
Kusga.
Let's go, guys.
Kusga.
There I met her. It was wonderful meet with you when I visit. I hope you have enjoyed drawing it. I wish you a happy Christmas. I hope you can enjoy this gift I have set you of the that I have with you and some of my family too. I hope I can come visit you again and they know that I love you and pray for you and your family.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So much. Again, it's good to see children happy. Just one child, it's enough to. It's already like it's a big reward to see a child happy because of people's generosity. So thanks a lot, Laurel. Thanks for bearing with all this, and thank you for willingly wanted to help and putting it into action. Like I said before, let's be generous for God. Thank you.